So here is the Braze email tutorial. Braze is a SaaS platform that helps brands create personalized customer experiences. It's also known as a CRM tool. So let's jump straight into Braze's website. Head over to braze.com, where you will land on their main page. So once you're here, you will get to see all of these options on the top panel. Go through them and check them out. You can also change the language using this option. And here, click on Get Started. After that, you will get to see this option. Here, you need to fill in all your information. So fill up all of these information, starting with your first name, last name, email address, company name, phone number, and job title. Make sure to put in a business email in the email section. Then, on the next page, you need to fill in all of these information as well. So, select industry and go through the list of options and choose the one that you want. After that, select the number of employees. Next, you need to select your country from this list. So go through the list and select your desired country. After that, if you have a mobile app, how many MAU does it have? So choose the relevant answer from the options. After that, what is your monthly unique web traffic? Then select how many emails do you send annually. After that, go ahead and answer the next question, how did you hear about Braze? So here, just go ahead and type in your source. It could be anything from social media, YouTube, or Google search. Type in whatever is relevant. Then, are you evaluating other vendors alongside Braze? Here, you can write yes or no. After that, select this option if you want, then click on Submit. And as you can see, a request has been sent, and Braze will reach out to you through email. So Braze is a top-tier customer engagement platform designed to foster meaningful relationships between brands and their customers. It achieves this through a combination of personalized, data-driven strategies and multi-channel tools for messaging and real-time interaction. And if you see here on their website, you will get to see all the features in detail. If you scroll down further, you can see details on Braze Data Platform right here. Braze Data Platform offers a centralized dashboard for campaign monitoring, provides real-time metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, includes predictive analytics to refine your engagement strategies effectively. Then we have Braze AI. Braze AI adapts to your brand, helping you with on-brand content and creative personalized journeys, and also has a lot more tools. Then we have Journey Orchestration. This allows for the creation of automated, multi-step customer journeys through a visual workflow builder. Lets you set triggers and conditions based on lifecycle stages or user actions. Also enables real-time updates to journey flows, ensuring seamless customer engagement. Braze also has multi-channel messaging. They have push notifications, deliver personalized notifications to users on mobile and web platforms. In-app messaging, which helps communicate with users directly within your app via contextual messages. Email marketing, design dynamic and tailored email campaigns. SMS and MMS messaging, send text messages with support for rich media. And lastly, content cards, present promotions or announcements without interrupting the user experience. Using all of these features will help you make your email marketing campaign easy and efficient. Then we have real-time capabilities. Braze lets you build highly specific audience segments using demographic, transactional, or behavioral data. Also, you will be able to perform real-time updates to these segments for targeted campaigns. Using this feature, you can utilize A/B and multivariate testing to optimize message performance. This comes really handy when designing your email marketing campaign. And lastly, we can see privacy and security. Braze complies with global privacy standards like GDPR and CCPA, which means their privacy standards are world-class. Also, Braze ensures data security through encryption and access controls, which gives your data a strong level of security. Braze also supports anonymized data analysis to protect user information. so users can be stress-free about their personal information. So now, if you scroll down on this page, you will get to see a section that says your brand has a message. How you deliver it matters. And this is a strong statement. Here, you can see a glimpse on how Braze can help you. You can see sections like increase lifetime value, simplify architecture, break down silos, and grow brand love. And under each of these sections, you will get to see messages from different companies who use Braze to achieve their goals. This gives you an idea on how useful Braze can be. Scrolling down further, you can dive into the craft of customer engagement. It says any skill worth learning requires knowledge, inspiration, and of course, the right technology. Find it all here and start building your craft. So here, you can see all the tools and platforms that are integrated with Braze, which will make your work even more easier and efficient. So now, let's go ahead and scroll down further. On this section, you can see our industry and customer recognitions. This section shows Braze's achievements and also the awards they have received for their services. As you can see, it says Braze has been named a leader in the Forrester Wave, and also Braze was named a leader in the 2023 IDC MarketScape. And if we keep going, Braze is ranked number 1 in G2's push notification grid. Lastly, we can see Braze earned the Best of Feature Set, Best Relationship, and Best Value for Price Awards in the Trust Radius 2023 Best of Awards. And if you scroll down, you can check out the resources Braze has to offer. So here, you will see different blogs that you can choose from, and you can select whichever one that you want and read through them. Now scrolling down, you will get to see Join the Movement to Journey Orchestration. Here, it says the movement to highly intelligent, always-on journey orchestration is happening, and much of it is happening on our platform. Here you can see two options, contact sales and see how Braze works. So let's click on it. Here, you can see this section that says see how our tech stacks up. Here, you can see a detailed overview of how Braze works and also the different steps and processes it has. And scrolling down further, you will get to see the available messaging platforms that they connect with. And on this section, you can look through different sections and more information on each one of them. For example, we can see the information on data activation. And scrolling down further, we have insights and segmentation. After that, we have journey orchestration and more information about it. After that, we can review personalization and relevance. Then, we have a section for cross-channel action. If you want to get more detail, just click on the buttons below each section. Then we can see details on Braze AI. And lastly, we have continuous insight and feedback. So that is all about the Braze platform and their email marketing potential.